Hello, YouTube. This is me, and I am going to talk about today bi-weekly payments. Okay, let me tell you what bi-weekly payments. This is how you can save some money and also accelerate your payments when you're dealing with something that you took a loan out on, and it's the interest bearing uh account basically. So if you have a car or a mortgage, you can basically make an extra payment at the end of the year. So instead of making 12 payments, which is what you would pay if you paid your mortgage on time every month, that's 12 payments, right? Because it's 12 months in a year. Well, if you pay twice. So if you have a mortgage that's $1,000 and you pay in the same month $500, the the first 500. So if your mortgage is due on the 25th and you pay 500 on the first and then another 500 on the 20th or the 15th, what happens is you are paying less the interest that you're paying before the interest max itself out, which is at the on the 25th. If that's when your mortgage is due, that's when your interest has gotten all the way up to say 8%. But if you pay on the first where your interest is in that 8% yet, it's probably at 1% or 2%. So if you're paying already something 500, okay, so you are slashing your interest rate down, which means you are going to accrue principal. That principal, if you pay it split up like that twice a month before the actual pay payment is due, you accrue principal, and that principal basically adds up. If you do that every month in a year, it's going to add up to an additional new payment for you at the end of the year, which is absolutely wonderful. And you also can pay more. So if you want to pay more, so if your mortgage is actually 1,000, but you want to pay 2,000, that too is going to pay towards your principal as well. And you're going to accrue principal towards the end of the year, and it's going to help you pay off your debt a lot sooner, at least 5 to 10 years sooner than it would if you had a 30-year fixed loan. So that is my little tip for today. Bi-weekly payments. They have companies that actually um do it for you. But if you do it on your own, you need to write on your checks or your money orders that the principal, for them to put it in an escrow account for you so the money isn't lost, or if you don't know where it is, you just write on your check like put principal in the escrow account, and you have that money for you at the end of the year that you can use towards another payment on whatever it is. If it's a car, any kind of payment that has interest attached to it, you can do bi-weekly payments, or just pay twice as much or more before the actual payment is due. Yeah. So Google it. I'm sure you will like to learn more about it, but it's definitely a great opportunity to increase your credit score as well as finish paying off your payment um, faster than the actual time that is estimated to be paid off. Okay, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And I am selling homes and working with buyers who want a home and investors in the Southern California area. So if you're interested in purchasing, selling, or investing, I can definitely help you out. Sean Anderson, Keller Williams. All right, bye bye.